The rise of Villager, an AI-native red teaming framework, is sending shockwaves through the cybersecurity world. And for good reason. In just 2 months, this tool has been downloaded over 10,000 times, raising urgent questions about the future of hacking and defense. But here's where it gets controversial. Villager isn't just another penetration testing tool. It's being hailed as the AI-powered successor to the infamous Cobalt Strike, streamlining complex cyber attack processes into a single automated pipeline that's frighteningly easy to use. Created by a mysterious Chinese company named Cyberspike, Villager combines reconnaissance, exploitation, and lateral movement into one seamless workflow. It even integrates Kali Linux toolsets with advanced DeepSeek AI models, all packaged in a publicly accessible Python repository, PyPI. This open availability has only intensified concerns among security experts about how quickly such powerful capabilities can spread. Casey Ellis, founder of BugCrowd, puts it bluntly. AI-assisted offense isn't just coming, it's already here and isn't going anywhere. He highlights a critical point. Tools like Villager dramatically lower the barrier to entry, putting sophisticated hacking abilities into the hands of a much wider audience, from seasoned professionals to less experienced users. Traditionally, red teaming tools demanded significant expertise and time to execute effective simulations. Villager flips this script by enabling end-to-end attack simulations with minimal human input, compressing what used to take days into mere minutes, according to AI security firm Straker. This speed and ease of use could revolutionize penetration testing, but also open the door to more frequent and damaging cyber attacks. What makes Villager especially alarming is its ability to be weaponized. Straker's analysis reveals that the framework employs AI agents to carry out tasks that normally require human judgment, such as vulnerability scanning, reconnaissance, and exploitation. Its AI can craft custom payloads and adjust attack strategies dynamically based on the target's environment, significantly reducing the time attackers remain undetected and boosting their chances of success. Moreover, Villager features a modular orchestration system that lets users chain multiple exploits automatically. This means attackers or red teamers can simulate highly sophisticated, multi-stage attacks with very little manual oversight, raising the stakes for defenders. The dual-use nature of Villager is at the heart of the debate. While ethical hackers can leverage it for legitimate security testing, the same automation and AI-driven orchestration make it a potent weapon in the hands of malicious actors. Randolph Barr, Chief Information Security Officer at Sequence Security, warns, Villager and similar AI-driven tools like Hexstrike are deeply concerning because they condense complex attack processes into something fast, automated, and dangerously easy to deploy. Digging deeper, Stryker traced Cyberspike back to a Chinese AI and software development firm that has been operating since November 2023. However, a search on a Chinese professional network akin to LinkedIn turned up no verifiable information about the company. Stryker points out the complete lack of legitimate business records for Changchun Onshinyan Technology Co. Limited, combined with the absence of a website, raises serious questions about who is behind these automated red team operations. This opacity only fuels speculation and concern. Another critical issue is Villager's presence on PyPI, a widely trusted public repository for Python packages. With over 10,000 downloads in just 2 months, this raises the risk of supply chain attacks, where malicious code infiltrates software dependencies. Jason Sirocco, a senior fellow at Sectigo, advises organizations to prioritize package provenance by mirroring PyPI repositories, enforcing strict allow lists for pip installations, and blocking direct package installs from build and user endpoints to mitigate these risks. Stryker's research further reveals that Villager uses Python scripts to automate key attack phases such as network discovery, vulnerability assessment, credential harvesting, and lateral movement. Its AI-driven decision-making engine selects the most effective attack paths in real time, enabling rapid reconnaissance and exploitation that can drastically shorten detection and response windows. This makes it much harder for defenders to catch and stop attacks before damage is done. Security teams are urged to watch for unusual patterns like burst-like scanning activity, chained exploit attempts, and autonomous behavior that adjusts attack strategies on the fly. Strengthening identity management policies and patching processes is also critical to reduce vulnerabilities. Stryker recommends deploying MCP protocol security gateways to monitor AI agent activity, audit third-party integrations, and establish internal AI governance frameworks to oversee the use of such tools. Building AI-focused threat intelligence programs to track emerging attack techniques, developing incident response playbooks tailored for AI-driven threats, and conducting red team exercises to test AI-related security controls are additional strategies that can help organizations prepare for this new era of cyber offense. So what do you think? Is Villager a groundbreaking tool that will empower ethical hackers and improve security testing? Or is it a dangerous weapon that lowers the bar for cybercriminals? Could the benefits of AI-driven automation in cybersecurity outweigh the risks? Or are we opening Pandora's box? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below, because this debate is far from over.